Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting video. Please click on the subscribe button if you are new and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome and thank you for coming back. In today's video, I will share a DIY hairspray for massive hair growth and thickness. My first ingredient today is aloe vera. Our second ingredient is clove. Our third ingredient is palm kernel oil, and our fourth ingredient is carrot oil. So let's get into the video. To begin, grab your aloe vera. Cut off the edges. This is to make it easy for you to scoop out the gel. Aloe vera can be very slippery, so be very careful when using a knife. Cut open the aloe vera and scoop out the gel. You can use as many aloe vera as you want. Aloe vera is loaded with many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It promotes hair growth. It controls greasy hair. This is the gel. I will go ahead to mash it. If you have a blender or a hand mixer, this will be very easy. Moving on to our next ingredient, which is clove. Add the blended clove into the aloe vera gel and mix it very well. Again, you can use a hand mixer to make this process very fast. This is how it will look like after it has mixed very well. I went ahead to strain with my strainer and a plate to collect my hairspray. Clove contains high level of antioxidants and nutrients that can help add to the growth and strength of your hair. These two ingredients help in hair growth, especially those suffering from hair loss and hair fall, or you want to regrow your hair. Moving on to our next ingredient is palm kernel oil. This helps in hair thickness. Guys, I love this oil a lot. Moving on to the next ingredient is carrot oil. It helps protect hair from damage and it softens hair. Go ahead and mix very well. Transfer into your spray bottle and it is ready for use. This treatment moisturizes hair, softens hair, while leaving your hair thicker, fuller and shinier. How to apply this hair growth spray on your hair. Saturate your hair with this spray 2 to 3 times in a week and massage your scalp each time you apply it. Moisturize your hair and seal with your hair growth oil. Guys, please, make sure you moisturize your hair after applying this hair growth spray and seal it in with your hair growth oil. If you do not moisturize your hair, it may cause hair fall. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and ask your questions in the comment sections.